Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how can you earn on Fiverr by the voiceover of Sindhi language. So first of all we'll talk about the word voiceover and then we'll move forward to the other topics like language and earning. So we'll read some basic information provided on the Wikipedia about the word voiceover, and by reading that we'll try to understand about it. So, without wasting much more time, let's go and let's read about this word. Voiceover, also known as off camera or off stage commentary, is a production technique where a voice that is not part of the narrative, non diegetic, is used in a radio, television production, filmmaking, theater, or other presentations. The voiceover is read from a script and may be spoken by someone who appears elsewhere in the production or by a specialist voice actor. Synchronous dialogue, where the voiceover is narrating the action that is taking place at the same time, remains the most common technique in voiceovers. Asynchronous, however, is also used in cinema. It is usually pre-recorded and placed over the top of a film or video and commonly used in documentaries or news reports to explain information. Voiceovers are used in video games and on hold messages as well as for announcements and information at events and tourist destinations. It may also be read live for events such as award presentations. Voiceover is added in addition to any existing dialogue and is not to be confused with voice acting or the process of replacing dialogue with a translated version, the latter of which is called dubbing or reversing. So that was a short information about the word voiceover. I hope now you've understood about this word. So now moving forward to the language point, and we'll also read some short overview about the Sindhi language on Google Chrome. So here on new tab we'll search about Sindhi language overview. We'll search this to get some real quick knowledge about Sindhi language, and we'll uh, read that information and we'll try to collect this knowledge in our mind. So let's go and let's read it out. The Sindhi language is a language used by Sindhi people of Pakistan and India. It is an Indo-Aryan language specifically within the Sindhi group of the Northwestern Indo-Aryan languages. It is an official language in the Sindh province of Pakistan and in Rajasthan state in India. Okay, what was the conclusion of the Sindhi language? The Scandinavian scholars, after translating the script of Mohenjo-daro seals, concluded that Sindhi is a Proto-Dravidian language and stated the language that of Mohenjo-daro is an early form of Dravidian called by us Proto-Dravidian. What are the main points of Sindhi culture? Sindhi society is dominated by great Sufis, the mystics, and the martyrs. It has always been the land of peace, love, romance, and great cultural and artistic values. There were the great theologians of the Naqshbandi order in Thatta who translated the fundamentals of the religion of Islam into their mother tongue. So that was a short overview about the Sindhi language. I hope now you've got a little bit of knowledge about this language. So now moving forward to the main point, that is how can you earn on Fiverr by the voiceover of Sindhi language. So first of all, we'll go to the Fiverr official website or the official platform for freelancing, and here on Fiverr, we'll simply search about Sindhi language voice over. We'll search this to get the idea about this job, the competition, the pricing, the demand, and much more. So as you can see, I've searched about it, and there are some, literally there is just some gigs in this video and sorry, in this platform Fiverr. So it is a plus point for you that there is literally 1% competition on Fiverr of this job. So let's check out a gig to get much more idea about it. So here is a gig. I will do best voiceover for male voice in Urdu Sindhi, Pakistan, and he's charging 5,986 PKR. Till now, he got just one review with 5-star rating. So you can see the pricing, and yeah, it's a golden opportunity for you to start this job because there is less competition in this job, the Sindhi voiceover job, and you are surely going to get orders in this job because there is less people in your competition, and if you are providing a good quality service, then people will definitely come to you and buy service from you. So yeah, that was the video about it. I hope you've understood everything about it. It's time to end this video right here, and we'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye, see you, Allah Hafiz.